Hello friends, welcome to Home and Hobby. First, let me wish all of you a very happy Diwali. So today I will share some easy decorating ideas you can make at home and enlighten this Diwali, the festival of lights. So the first DIY is a gel candle. For this we need some wax crayon. You may choose your favorite color. After this we need some gel wax which I have ordered online from Amazon. The link to which I'll give at the description box below. I'll added some lavender oil to it. Of course this step is purely optional. I have taken a pen refill and tied a thin wire to it. Like this. Cut off the remaining wire. We need a wick or a thick thread to light the candle. Tie the thread into the wire into a knot. Now place the wick on the center of a small glass and encircle some extra wick to the refill for support so that the wick stays in the center. Put some white stones or colored pebbles. I had some miniature plastic plant which I cut and added inside the glass. You can also add some decorative flowers to them. Now pour the liquid gel candle in the glass and wait for half an hour to cool it completely. Cut the extra wick and our scented gel candle is ready. The second DIY is a scented wax candle. Here we heat some paraffin candle wax. You can take long thick candles found in nearby stores too and melt them completely. Add some wax crayon for color and some essential oil for scent. You can use a bowl or a glass jar available at your home. Here I have used a mason jar. Repeat the process with the wick and pour the melted wax candle on it. It will take an hour or two. The third DIY is a water candle. If you do not have wax at home, then you can definitely try this out. It's quick and simple too. Take a small glass, put some colored sand or food color to it. Add some water on top of it. Now take a plastic sheet or packet and cut them into circles. Of course, they do not have to be perfect circles. You can also use colorful plastic packets too for this purpose. Now cut an inch of thread or wick and insert them to the plastic circle, making a hole at the center. Now put some oil on top of the water and place the circular wick on it. I have also shown another water candle variation here using some small shells and an artificial plant. You can use your imagination and decorate these candles with things available to you. You can use food color, watercolor or poster color to the water and give your candles a colorful look. How long the candle burns depends on the amount of oil you add to it. So, if you want the candle to burn for more hours, add less amount of water and more oil to it. Diwali is definitely incomplete without diyas. I had some used clay diyas from last year which looked worn out and shabby. I painted fabric color on them. I used pearl metallic copper and gold colors to paint them. You can use acrylic colors too. You can also design them the way you like it. If you find the video interesting, please like and share it. For any queries, leave a comment below. Hope to come up with another interesting video next time. Till then, bye bye.